Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So Spice, Shaggy and Sean Paul recently teamed up to produce a track, and now I'm telling you that this track has been trending at the #1 position. It has also reached a #1 position on a number of iTunes charts across the world, and also racked up more than 1 million views in less than 24 hours. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this break. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. So as I said it before, I told you that this one was gonna be a mega hit for dancehall recording artist Spice after she decided to team up with the two big guns in the business, dancehall recording artist and international superstar Shaggy and Sean Paul. The track entitled Go Down There has been getting a number of rotations on popular social media sites, and recently, just a few hours ago, Spice hosted the launch party for the single after the video was released on Friday and have so far racked up more than 1 million views on different social media platforms. On YouTube is actually 881,000 at this present moment, and I can tell you I can just see this song going over the million mark in 2 days. Spice was very elated about this track and the anticipated release of this track. She went on her Instagram live just recently, and Shaggy and Sean Paul was on hand to just talk about the whole entire moment of this song. But before we get into any more details, let me just show you the grand entrance that Spice did on the pre-release of the song that was out. So let's go over to that right now for the release party that Spice hosted just a few hours ago for this track. So let's go over to that right now. So this was hosted in Atlanta just a few hours ago, and as you can see there, dancehall recording artist Spice making a grand entrance into the venue to the release of this song, Go Down There, featuring international recording artists Sean Paul and Shaggy. So there you have it. That was dancehall recording artist Spice making her grand entrance at the release party of her debut single, Go Down There. And as Spice stated, she has her album to release soon, and that is highly anticipated as well. But with this track out there on the market right now, many believe that this will be a smasher hit with the two big guns of Shaggy and Sean Paul teaming up on this single track just to produce this mega hit. And I can tell you that it's one of those anticipated songs that the public was looking forward to. And I'm just gonna just touch a little piece of the video that was released on Friday right now for you to see. I've watched the video and I can tell you the video was well put together. Whosoever did this video, it was well put together, and I can tell you the video will go a long way with the production of this track as well. So let's give you a little piece of the video right now, right here on Links TV. Two high-powered artists on the track, Sean Paul and Shaggy, two of international best dancehall recording artists to ever grace the stage outside of Jamaica. And these two teaming up with dancehall international superstar Spice to produce this mega buster hit song. I believe that this song will go a far way, and this will also help to propel Spice's musical career in a different direction. But as you know, Spice has been doing her thing a number of times, marred with different controversy as I can say, but she always continued to propel herself despite what the adversities may be and despite what people might say about her. She always tried to put her best foot forward, and she always tried to reach that point of greatness. And even when she's at that point of greatness, she always tried to push herself beyond that point, and this is what she's doing. This has never been done in music before. Dancehall recording artists Shaggy and Sean Paul teaming up together on one track. This like is a historic moment in the making, and an historic moment for dancehall music, and a historic moment for the recorded artist Spice as well, as she look forward to working more with these two international superstars and producing mega hit songs that will grace the stage and live on forever. So we believe we're gonna leave this one here for now, though. You can just drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this song. Are you feeling the song? Are you feeling the rhythm? Are you feeling the vibes of the two recording artists teaming up with Spice to produce this mega buster? You can just drop it. Let me know how you feel. Much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always continuing to support the movement of Links TV. And if it's the first time you're watching, just do the golden rule and click that notification bell and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos over here. So have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family. Peace out and bless.